everybody, my name is Mr. 4 and this is the 4ourstv. Today we have something new and exciting for you guys. Today we'll be unleashing the new products from Oraimo. Since the introduction of Oraimo products in the market right now in 2021, we have seen a wide variety and very exclusive as well as high quality accessories for your day-to-day use. So I'm gonna check out all of these accessories which I'll be listing officially here at 4ourstv. Guys, what we have right now for the first time here, we have the Power Cube 3 Pro from Oraimo. This is a 3-pin charger with LED indicator, a multi-protection, improved durability, ultra compact design, and a USB and C-type dual output. And the output is 5 volts to 3 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, 4 volts. And now the next thing we're gonna unbox at Oraimo is the Oraimo Power Cube 3 Pro. This is a 2-pin charger and 18-watt fast charging for all 365 CU. The QR code, right? That's 50 to 60 hertz. Output of 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, 12 volts, 1.5 amps. It's a cable, model USB, length 1 meter. And we also have the music in pocket. This is good for all those guys who have Bluetooth, small Bluetooth speakers. We have the Soundflow 4, which you can find, which is a FM radio, ESD flash, microphone, memory card, wireless. It has a light and a compact body and a stylish design and a Bluetooth of 5.0. That means the Bluetooth is very fast when it connects to your device and everything. Yes. The other product that we're gonna check out today are FreePods 3 from Oraimo. These products, those want to put a story on their boxes, yes. And what we have right now from the back here, you can check it out here. I'm gonna read out everything. I'm unboxing this, so let me read out everything. The Bluetooth version is 5.2, which is faster. I think this is the latest version that I have found so far on devices. The range is a 10-meter range, so you can have a device which is 10 meters away, but it won't freeze or it won't stuck in the music. The battery capacity is 45 milliamps earbud and 500 milliamps case. That means each earbud contains 45 milliamps of power, but when you put it in the case is 500 milliamps. The case also works as the charger of the earbuds. I'll get into that later. The battery life is up to 8 hours, so you can spend almost the whole day at work, to school, whatever you are doing. Listen to your earbuds here, and the case provides additional 28 hours. So it's 8 hours plus 28 hours. Your case will be charging whenever it is called. The case input is Type C. Yes, 1 pair, 2 different fits. That means the other one, every bud left and right have its own mode or its own function. The other one is for awareness mode, the other one is for bass mode, right? Yes. Now let's check out here the QR code. Yes. When I was talking about different functions of each earbud, let's talk about the left earbud. To play music, you tap twice. To answer calls, you tap twice. Last track, long press for 1.5 seconds for you to change it. Then for the right earbuds is play, pause, music is tap twice, answer taps twice, next track is 1.5 seconds. I will demonstrate that to you guys. Now let me open this box. You can tell that these guys from Oraimo, they went extra mile to make you comfortable from buying this product of theirs. You can tell from the design of this box. It's very stylish design. I can recycle this. Yes, it's like you're opening something from like a treasure chest. Wow. This little thing in this type of box, they emphasize, they care about your customers and that feeling of buying something which is original. Now this is the Oraimo earbuds. extra earbuds for different types of ears. Some people got big ears like me. You need a bigger earbud. It comes with 2 extra earbuds that you can use, yeah, depending on your ear size and how you comfortable you want to be. This is the USB cable. Actually, it's a Type-C cable. Oraimo is now emphasizing on having Type-C because it charges faster than the Type-C, but ordinary cable. They're now using this Type-C. That's so ordinary, extraordinary. And here, this is the manual. Please make sure you read your manual. So many people they throw away this thing, but they're asking people, how do I use it? How do I tap play? How do I? Make sure you read your manual when you get your earbuds from Oraimo. It comes in different languages for different regions. Cool. Let's open the earbuds. The right earbuds, the left earbuds. This is the charger, or as well as the case. Now guys, last but not least, before I wrap up this show, we save the last for the best, or the last for the beast. What we have right now is a Soundflow. This is one of these guys from Oraimo. They gave it to me to test it exclusively from 4ourstv. I'm so happy. Thank you Nyasha from Oraimo for doing this to me. I'm going to unbox this thing we call the Soundflow right now. Yeah, it is what we call the controller, an input port, a colorful light. The light changes into different spectrums of color, and it got its own woofer and a tweeter on the same speaker. So actually this is a dual speaker with a woofer and a speaker. And you can also link these things. If there are 2 in your room, you can link them to make a better sound. Right? That's the other cool feature that they told me that I discovered when I was testing this thing. Yes, here we got Ranabazi the 2 Baba. Obviously me and him are one of the first people to have it. And yeah, we're gonna give you more detail of about the functions of each when we open this lovely speaker. Let's open it. The Soundflow from Oraimo, 4ourstv exclusive. In this small box, that's where we find our Type-C charger as well as the aux cable and the manual for you to maneuver around your way this speaker. It's not much though, but you have to keep it and start your speaker so that you look cool when you are explaining to your friends how this speaker functions. Yes, come close. I want you to wanna open this thing. This is the power here on top. Yeah, pause, play, and this controls the lights. How you want your lights to come out. This is for volume up and volume down, right? Yes, and here this small rubber opening. That's where you can put your aux cable, your memory card, and your C-type charger. Here, this is the speaker, and at the side, this is the tweeter. Yes. So guys, I'm gonna put this thing on and hear how it sounds. I hope the sound quality you can hear from me there.
Power on.
Yes. Now let's hear how this thing plays and how the quality is. I hope you guys from your homes, you can listen to what I'm trying to emphasize here. It's very hard to unbox something for audio, but I hope you can listen to the quality here that I'm trying to emphasize here. It's very hard to unbox something for audio, but I hope you can listen to the quality here that I'm trying to. Actually, here this is 50% of the sound, but I'm about to raise it as we go on. Over. You can change the light meter. Over. So you see, you can change how the light is. You may be in a dark room, you want to make a disco feeling in your room. This is how you just change it here with the lighting emoji here, or the sign, whatever you want to call it. You got different colors that you can use. Yes. So 1 year warranty. Where you get this thing, or where you get all the products I have unboxed, you can just hit us up. I'll put Nyasha's marketing manager of Oraimo, who gave me all of these accessories to myself. He was the one who's gonna link you up where you can get these things around Zimbabwe or anywhere around the world. He's the one who's in charge of this. So guys, thank you very much for being with me. I know it's been a very long episode. It's been long, my fans. I haven't seen you for a while. There's some things which are happening, but thank you for keep on supporting my page. Thank you for keep on liking and subscribing to my page. It's been a hectic year from unboxing Zim to 4ourstv. Thank you very much, guys. I enjoyed. Now let's check out a break look of this devices.
Hakuna chimara, stare tirombera kasara. Ndoga ntipa grind cause marindo ikara. Ndoda kubuda mjito ndonogara kumandara. Yeah, life is kupusha ungebara. Spitting that boss kunge charamba. I'm pushing with the season, just like a farmer. I'm all about action, there's my drama. Namu ya afro, kuda kuti zviti unofana kutokama. And this is the bones, but I'm all about the guala.